you ever wished to live a life so peaceful that whenever you wake up every single day, you don't have even a little thing to worry about how to arrange money to buy a new house or a new car, or to pay for your child's education, or even for your own wedding, or just simply to buy that pretty dress or those fancy shoes or that lavish watch that you've been eyeing on for a very long time? Secretly or not, we all wish that. And guess what? It is possible. Let me tell you how. It is by understanding how compound interest works. If you already know the power of compounding, you already know the biggest secret of becoming rich. Compounding is such an important concept for each one of us to know. If you know it and implement it really well, it does wonders to you. It works so well that there might certainly come a time when you don't have to work for money anymore, but money will work for you. Let me explain that with the help of an example, but before that, let me tell you what compound interest and simple interest is for those who don't know. Simple interest is the interest that you earn on the principal amount, where principal amount is the money that you invest. And compound interest is the interest that you earn on the principal amount plus the interest that you earn on the interest that has accumulated over time. In simple words, compound interest is interest earned on interest. To understand it even better, let us consider an example in which you invest, say, 1 lakh rupees. Some people also call it 100,000 rupees. Say you invest this money where the return or the rate of return is 10% per annum. So, after the first year, either consider simple interest or consider compound interest. The return will be the same. You will gain an interest of 10%, which is your interest will be 10,000 rupees for the principal amount of 1 lakh. So your total invested amount will now be the principal amount, that is 1 lakh rupees, plus the interest earned, that is 10,000 rupees. So total 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. Compound interest starts showing its real magic after the second year. In the second year, with simple interest, you will have a total sum of 1,20,000, but with compound interest, you will have 1,21,000 rupees. At the end of the fifth year, with simple interest, you will have 1,50,000, and with compound interest, you will have 1,61,051 rupees. You get to see a major difference after more than 5 years, say 10 years, 15 years, 20, or even 25. Here in an example, we'll see what happens after 30 years. After 30 years, with simple interest, you'll have only 4 lakh rupees, but with compound interest, you'll have a big fat 17 lakhs and 45,000 rupees, which is more than 4 times of 4 lakh rupees of simple interest which we would get. Isn't that amazing? And that's the reason I think you should start investing very early in life. My personal suggestion is a child should start investing as soon as he or she finishes studying compound interest in school. He or she should try to invest using his or her pocket money so that at that crucial and tender age, the child can learn to save as well as invest. But if not so, remember, it's never too late. I'd like to quote the words of Albert Einstein. He said, "Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who does not pays it." Please try to understand the depth of these words. By the words, "he who understands it earns it," he means that the people who understand the importance and the power of compounding interest and who implement it really well, compounding does wonders to them. It's just like planting a seed of a fruit and waiting for a few years for the tree to give away more than enough fruits for everyone. And by the words, "he who does not pays it," he means that the people who do not understand the concept of compounding keep paying money to other people from their hard earned money. For example, by making the wrong use of credit cards, by taking personal loans, and there can be many other reasons. So, it is very important to understand the power of compounding and have financial knowledge as well as wisdom to make it work for you. Trust me, it will yield you the best of the best benefits. I'll be talking more on personal loans and the correct use of credit cards in my coming videos. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.